Hello and welcome to week 7. For week 7, the first thing that you'll do is complete your reading assignment. Let's look at that for week 7. Okay, this time you're not reading from Let's Get Writing. You're actually going to choose 2 articles for project number 3 using the Macomb Library databases or Google Scholar. And then you're going to be able to review the Writing Effective Paragraphs slide deck. All right, so let's move back here. Remember, I gave you the criteria for project number 3 last week, but I've repeated it this week just as a point of reference as you start to form more parts of this particular final project. So I put it down here just so that you can keep track of it if you didn't want to go back and search for it. You're going to turn in an annotated bibliography. Your annotated bibliography is going to be a total of 2 sources that you found about your topic using the Macomb Library databases. And then you're going to cite them in works cited format, in MLA format. And then you're going to include a 1-page summary of both of the articles. These are a little bit longer, but you get the general idea. So first things first, you're going to cite it according to MLA format. So you can see these articles are. Then you're going to include the equivalent of double-spaced 1-page summary of the key points within each of the sources. And I want you to also include within each summary the article's purpose, the article's intended audience, and how the article will benefit your how this particular article will benefit your argument. So you can see if you this is all key points about this particular article, and then when we get to the end, it will benefit my argument. Here's the intended audience, and here's the purpose. So you'll make sure that you add those for each. Now, the thing that I want you to keep in mind is you do not need to start from scratch for your citation. So what I've done is I've created a short video that will walk you through finding e-resources in the Macomb Library database. But in the Macomb Library databases, what you'll notice is that almost every article has a little cite widget. And when you click on that, you can select MLA format 9th edition, and that will allow you to simply copy and paste that citation right into your annotated bibliography. So please take the time to watch the video. The video will not only walk you through how to find them, but also how to cite the articles that will benefit your paper. And then as you notice, we have staggered dates this week. So I want you to remember, you've got 2 assignments hanging out from last week that are due on Monday. And then you've got a couple of assignments that are due on Wednesday. First, you have discussion forum number 7. And this is where I want you to get feedback from your peers about your topic. So you'll briefly state your topic and thesis, what surprised you about the research you've done so far, who's your intended audience, and what you hope to accomplish. And then after you answer the questions, which is your initial post, you're going to reply to one classmate by doing just very brief research on his or her topic. Just a really quick Google search of information about the topic, and provide one online resource that could help him or her. It could be the link to an article, it could be a data set, it could be an interesting fact, a statistic, whatever you think might benefit. All right, so that's due on Wednesday. Your annotated bibliography, which we just described up here, is also due on Wednesday. On Friday, your draft is due. This gives me plenty of time to read it and to provide you with feedback as we move through the rest of the semester. And then finally, on Sunday, your grammar and usage checkpoint is due. All right, that's it for week 7. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.